4C wig, fully ventilated from the beginning to the end. You can braid on it, you can do your cornrows with it, you can do whatsoever style you want to do with this particular wig, and it is fully natural 4C Afro kinky hair. And from the beginning to the end, it is ventilated. And trust me, my alopecia sisters, if you have this wig, trust me, you can do whatsoever style you want to do with this wig. So here is the hair, is Afro kinky hair, and it came in 3 pack. So here is the hair we're going to be using to ventilate and make a beautiful fussy wig with it. Straight out of the box, here it's how it is looking, guys. I'm loving it already. It's so realistic. It's human hair. I just did a simple kind of braid on it because it's just like your African fussy hair that stretches and shrinks. So, and I went ahead to continue with the ventilation. I use full lace nets and the 4C hair, which is fully natural, is in color 1B, and straight up I went ahead to ventilate the hair on the net. Simply take your ventilating pin, pass it under the net, and then put 2 strands of hair, bring it out, and then turn. And this is how to ventilate it. Pass your ventilating pin under the net, and then take 2 strands of hair and then turn the ventilating pin, and that's all. Pass it, turn like so. The process continues. Give a hole, take 2 strands of hair and then pass like so. Leave a hole and then take 2 strands of hair, pick 2 strands of hair, then pass and turn like so. Pass your ventilating pin, take 2 strands of hair, then you turn by tying, you tie by turning, and the process just goes on and on. Have you subscribed to the channel? If you haven't, please just do well to subscribe now. It is totally free. Hit the subscribe button, and then do not forget to share with your friends that you think might need this, and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. And guys, have you hit the like button? Have you given this video a thumbs up? Please thumbs up this video so that the algorithm would share this video to people like you that will be interested in hair like this. Okay, so do that right away. God bless you. Okay, thank you for subscribing already. And because the hair came in 12 inches, you don't want the hair to be too short. I did not fold the hair exactly into 2 portions, because if I fold into 2 portions, it's going to end up in 6 inches. So I folded 1 portion more than the other, if you can see, and the other portion is actually longer. I don't know what I'm saying, if it makes sense, but if you look at my hand, you understand what I'm trying to say. I didn't fold it into 2 equal lengths, so that way 1 portion will be longer. That way the hair will have length, the wig will have length. Okay. We are already close to the front of this hair, this wig, and as you can see, I've already made a lining on where the hair is going to end, where I'm going to stop the ventilating. For most times when you buy the full lace net, it's going to come with a lining where the ventilation is going to end, so you just follow suit. And if you want to create another line, you can do that, but you can as well follow the already made line that came with the full lace. net. Okay, so as I walk my way closer to the front, I ensure that I'm not using a lot of hair. Okay, for example, the back portion, I use at least three strands of hair, but as I walk my way to the front, I'm reducing the strands of hair to about two, and then towards the hairline itself, I'm using at least one strand of hair, if you get what I mean, because that way the hair, the wig is going to look as natural as possible. You don't want it to look too artificial, okay? So you make the spacing natural and then the strands of hair reduced, not so full, okay? So I'm done with this hair, and here is how it is looking. And trust me, it took a lot of time to make this happen because I had a lot of activities I was doing in between, plus ventilation needs a lot of patience. And I love how this hair turned out, and I'm going to be sending it right away to my clients that order this hair. Okay, and this hair is beautiful. It is so beautiful. You can style it however way you want it. You can braid on it, you can curl it, brush it, tongue it, whatever way. So for those of you, my sisters that love to create edges, is it edges or hairline? I don't know. You can still do it with this hair. Just style it however way you want to. Love you guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I want to know, would you love to ventilate a full lace net yourself, a full lace wig yourself? Just tell me and I'll respond in the comment section. Or you'd rather buy one yourself? Just tell me what you think in the comment section. Did this hair turn out nice? Is it looking beautiful? Just let me tell me what you think. I want this to be interactive, and I just put it on my head to just show you a glimpse of how it's going to be looking. So here is it, and this is the back portion.